Bot is a package-based bot which is open source and can be found on this GitHub repository. The bot server itself has an architecture which is package-based, so several packages can be found here, which compounds the bot server core engine. The deployment of the server on Azure can be done automatically by running the server for the first time. Here inside Visual Studio, it's possible to enter some information, and all those objects related to bot are created in the cloud. So let's start with this bot ID and check it out, the bot creation here, by examining the resource group. So we see that an app service plan has started and several other objects will be created here in a few minutes. So let's take a look at this diagram here, which explains the architecture of GeneralBot Open Core. A DBI compounds the artificial intelligence entity of a corporation or a person. Several GBots can be created by using the same artifacts, which can be shared between different virtual assistants. And the user can use Office tools just like Excel and Visual Basic for applications to develop bot acknowledged here. As the bot has a channel on the web, as well Facebook and Skype and so on, we need the application to give the bot a presentation. So GBTeams can be used to run the bot according to a subject, for example, or even to personality of each bot, and several applications can be created to present the bot to the web. There is a default GBUI application which is provided as a start point. Let's see if the objects are created. Okay, now the process are deploying the bot storage, which is based on SQL Server. Back to the diagram, the DB app is an application that can be written for GeneralBots in a form of dialogues. So you use TypeScript here for more advanced scenarios, as well dblib, which is an extension with no dialogues, just functionality. If you take a look in the package, it's possible to see this kind of stuff here: dialogues, model, and services. Dialogues represents all the conversation that this DB app will provide. Models are the infrastructure related to the storage. So here the tables are defined, which you handle all data related to this conversation and to the business of this DB app. And service orchestrates this data and provide an interface to the dialogues. Several objects are being created here, and now we are almost finished. Let's see the log file. Louis is being deployed right now in a form of natural language processing object. And after that, all the process will be done and the bot can be run. Here in Windows, Visual Studio is running the server, and the server detects that is a development environment and will open a new tab here with GeneralBot running after the deploy. So this setup allows anyone to build new bots in a very easy way, and No code is required, just to advanced scenarios by using DB apps. Okay, now the bot server is loaded, the database synchronization is in course. A new empty bot will be started right now. Okay, now we've got general bots loaded and ready to go.